Good evening, everyone. My name is Pima Candelario Jr. My report is about Ayala Corporation Software Code of Ethics. Ayala Corporation Code of Conduct and Ethics provide a framework for promoting ethical behavior and ensuring compliance with laws and regulation. It helps maintain a positive reputation and build trust with stakeholders. Requires supplier to hold human rights, environmental stewardship, and anti-corruption practice. There are some example of rules that require supplier hold human rights, environmental stewardship, and anti-corruption practices. Supplier code and conduct. Ayala Corporation expect and supplier to adhere to the highest standard of ethics and integrity in their business practices. Suppliers are required to human rights. Human rights, they are one, respect human rights, comply with applicable laws and international standards, including the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Second, prevent child labor, ensure that no child labor is used in the production of goods or services. Third, prevent forced labor, ensure that no forced labor is used in the production of goods or services. Number four, provide a safe working environment. Ensure that workers are provided with safe and healthy working environment. And there are some environmental stewardship. Number one, comply with environmental laws. Comply with all applicable environmental laws and regulations. Second, um, reduce environmental impact. Take steps to reduce environmental impact including reducing waste, emissions, and conserving natural resources. Third, implement sustainable practice. Implement sustainable practice in operation and supply chain. And anti-corruption, prevent bribery and corruption. Ensure that no bribes, kickbacks, or other forms of corruption are offered or accepted. Second, comply with anti-corruption laws. Comply with all applicable anti-corruption laws and regulation. Third, maintain accurate records or transaction and businesses of activities. There are implementation and monitoring. Number one, conduct regular audit. Number two, provide training. And also, I requires to uphold human rights, environmental stewardship, and anti-corruption practice of Ayala Corporation. And also, wanna protect human rights, reduce environmental impact, and also prevent corruption. So this is my report.